Alright guys, welcome back to Blue Line Garage. What we're going to do is we're going to be polishing that headlight. Now this is some of the stuff that you're going to want to do. Is get yourself some sandpaper, a buffing pad, a polishing pad, and some Headlight Restore compound right there. Now I got two different polishers here. Now this one is a little bit big. This one here is a lot smaller. So I'm going to be using this one here. So what you want to do is you want to scrub this, and I'm going to show you guys in a minute. You want to scrub this headlight here with about 1500 grit. If it's really grimy, use 1000, use 1500, 2500, and then the 3000. The smoother the better when you polish it up. So let's go ahead and do the 1500. All right guys, so the first thing you want to do is put tape around the headlight. Open up your hood. If for some reason tape is not working with your headlight and it's easier to remove the headlight, go ahead and do so. But if not, you could do this right on the car itself. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 1500, and I got this little foam thing I'm going to use as a little block here, and it actually helps out because it's nice and cushioned. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to wet sand it. So we're going to spray it with water. Go ahead. All right, now we're going to be using a 2000. All right, now we're going to be using a 3000. All right, so now what you want to do is you want to make sure everything is dry. When you do dry everything, you are going to get a haze from the sanding. Once everything is all dried up, that's when we'll do the compound. So you could see some of the hazing there. I focused a lot on the top side because that's where a lot of the hazing was, and the discoloration. So I focused more on the top than anywhere else. But it looks like it was sanded down pretty good, and you're going to see how this is going to pop out once we start polishing. All right, so I got here Chemical Guys Headlight Restore Polisher. So I'm going to put a few little dots on my polisher here. Okay, like so. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to splotch it all over the headlight. And I'm going to work in a little section at a time. So I'm going to work in this little section, then the middle, then the end here. All right, so you want to polish till the creaminess. You're going to see it while you're polishing. It's going to be creamy. Once that dries up, that's when you move on to the next section. All right, guys, so I went ahead and I just cleaned this up. I did 2 coats on it, and I also used this polisher on it. I didn't want to bore you guys and watching me do it, but pretty much this is it, and this is the after effect, and you can see how much better it looks. All right, so hopefully this helps you out, and don't forget to take off the masking tape. If you do like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Peace out.